Morissette. Yan lang. And before that, picture muna tayo for our friends from the media.
Hi!
Forward ka lang.
Ay, kagwapa ba? Here, Ate Morissette.
Okay. Sige, left, center, and then right. Para
Para atake. Atake ka doon, Mori.
Okay, thank you, Morissette. You may now take your seat while we have our first question from TV5's MJ Marfori. Hey, happy Sunday! Gusto mo yan? All for OPM, Mori. Laban! Well, syempre, Mori, congratulations, of course, sa lahat ng success. And we just wanna know, kasi syempre, hindi lang ikaw dito tumatatak, pati na rin sa pag-arte. And how will you balance and mix your talents in singing and acting from here on? Kumbaga, meron ka ba mga upcoming projects na gusto i-share sa amin?
Wow! As of now po, we had just concluded yung yung anniversary concert po that I had in Araneta. And very, we're just soaking it in and enjoying the turnout, I would say successful turnout of our show. Very first produced concert ko din po yun, kaya ang dami po mga back-end stuff that I'm having to do up until now. But I'm just very, very happy that it happened. And then, ngayon naman po, definitely, more music that I am working on. I actually also released a part of the concert, yung opener po namin, kasama ko po yung The Release. We had shared an unreleased track there. And it's called All We Know, pero it's not yet out. But definitely, we are working on a lot of new music ngayon. Sa side naman po ng pag-arte, I think right now we're really focused. Ako personally also very focused on Song of the Fireflies. Which is also my very, very first film. Of course, with M-Quest as well. And very grateful lang po ako sa recognition that our film has gotten up until this point. Right now, I think we're pushing for the Golden Globe. So hopefully po, we'll be able to make a mark there as well po. But yun, parang binabalance naman po namin. And I just take it one at a time.
That is so beautiful.
Thank you po.
Yeah. And tonight lang, syempre, I wanna ask about the vibe there on stage. Because it's not every day we see you guys united and reunited in OPM. Diba? Nakasama kami dito sa mga press. See you guys. Kamusta? Have you had the chance? Sino yung mga gusto mong kapwa artist na you saw tonight?
Opo, ang dami po. Actually, I was fairly early in the backstage. So, nakita ko po lahat na nagpo-perform. Of course, pumati po ako kila Beanie, sila Miss Reg. Of course, I also got to personally thank her also for being a guest also at my recent concert. Sino pa ba? Si Dionella. Hey June was there as well. Over October. So many po. So many. It's nice na we have, of course, like Awit Awards, na we all get to come together and celebrate OPM po together. So we're just happy we're here po.
And my last question, yung reaction mo lang that right now, OPM is really golden. Kumbaga, when you see the charts here in the Philippines, majority is by Filipino artists. And, the past decade, it didn't start that way. Diba? And now, look at where we are at. Your reaction to that?
I am very, very, sobrang nakaka-proud lang po talaga. Actually, for me also right now that I also have my own record label and company po, parang mas lalong nakaka-empower po. I am also doing my part in trying to continue to educate our aspiring artists and really push for, di ba, kung anong gusto nila i-create, ilabas lang nila and their audience will find them. I'm just very, very happy na we're at the time to really enjoy, and that, syempre with the internet, umaabot po yung OPM music and mga videos natin sa ibang bansa. And so, it is really a time to be proud, and sana po ay tuloy-tuloy na po from here, and that we get to just be able to really share what we have with the rest of the world, and to be able to see that slowly, sobrang nakaka-proud po. And it's very exciting.
Good luck with the Golden Globes.
Thank you po.
Yes!
Thank you po, MJ.
Thanks, MJ. Now naman from kapatid to kapamilya, Ana Cerezo of ABS-CBN News.
Kapit-bahay na nakiking wifi. May wifi ba kayo dito? Di ko alam, dito pa
pa pala. Doon lang kami lahat.
Hi, Mori!
Hi po.
So, it's very exciting yung performances kanina.
Yes.
And ang daming artists. Kanina ba, meron kang napanood na performance na parang napaisip ka lang, parang gusto ko rin sila maka-perform together, maka-collab.
Uy, sino ba? There's a lot. There's so many, honestly. From the bands to the solo acts. I think one of the performers na hindi ko nakita in a while and I got to see her perform again was si Jada. Kasi, I mean, I saw Jada as a very young girl before, even before I knew that she was also up to, or she was wanting to pursue music as well. And just to be able to see her now, na like, sobrang fiery na po talaga niya. Sobrang nakakatuwa po. And so, and mabait siya, sobrang chill lang din po ni Jada. So being able to just see her growth and to see, hear her music also, and to see where she is now lang din po, sobrang nakaka-proud po.
Thank you!
Thank you po.
Sige, okay. Hi,
Hello.
Hi, mga Ate Belba.
Yes.
Kapit bahay lang na, wifi lang ako. The question is that, kasi nung nag-post ka recently last 2024 ng reconciliation with your family, no?
Yes,
This coming Christmas, may plans kayo to be together?
Oh, definitely po. I think sobrang special po ng year na to and this upcoming holiday season for me and my family. Actually, I'm so happy kasi even itong recent concert ko po sa Araneta, they were there and they hadn't watched me perform like that in so long. So to be able to share that moment and even dedicate a song na nung pandemic I wrote for them and I sang it literally like 10 feet in front of them. It was very, very special. Definitely po we'll have a big gathering po with my family, with my now husband and even my brother who also has his own family na rin po. For sure, it's gonna be one for the books na Christmas kasi syempre, it's the first time na itong holidays talaga na magkasama na po talaga kami. So,
Okay, may pinapatanong si Ana, Christmas wish mo daw.
Christmas wish ko, di ko pa naisip yun ngayon. Pero I think, ano ba ang Christmas wish ko? Honestly, di ba may world peace? Philippine peace, pwede ba yun? Ang dami lang din po kasi talaga nangyayari ngayon. And syempre, I think that's my wish na we all get to just have a peaceful and happy Christmas with our loved ones and families po. So, yun po.
Yan. The last question, Maury, from one of my content creators, si Tar.
Hi, hello po.
Hi, Maury.
Hi, how are you po?
You look so gorgeous and congratulations
Thank you so
for
much.
all your achievements in your 15-year
Thank you.
stay in the industry. So my question is, what is that one most important lesson you've learned in your 15 years that you hope as well would be learned by others who are starting or they would be inspired by?
Thank you for the wonderful, nakakamiss universe yung tanong. So when I was young, I think something that I carry up until, well, especially now po, just because what I've always shared with a lot of people was before, gusto ko lang naman po talagang kumanta. And I'm just very, very grateful that there were opportunities na dumating po for me, kahit na po na, like someone that came from the province, and then just fast forward to where I am now, I think one of the things that I really, really learned was to stay true to kung ano man po yung core mo talaga. Especially since ako din in the last couple of years, I've been doing a lot of experimenting when it came to my music, even my singing styles. I've kind of discovered na rin po kung ano yung nag-work sa boses ko, alin yung hindi nakaka-damage agad ng boses ko kasi syempre I'm wanting to do this for as long as I can. And so, a lot of discoveries, a lot of things that I want to try, pero ultimately, ano ba talaga yung gusto kong balikan? And I think I was able to really find that working on the recent concert that I did, especially working on being able to have a set list na parang 90% of that is mga original music ko. Yun, parang kung ano talaga yung core ko. I think I'm just very, very grateful na throughout the many, many years, I was entrusted with so many amazing music. And ngayon na I'm in the space na rin po And in a time of my career na pwede na rin po akong maglabas ng sarili ko music and share my own stories. Parang ang babalikan ko is like kung ano yung, I think, kahit ang point ko talaga is like, it's the voice. And so that's why for me, kahit anumang kanta, game po ako, basta lang po maalagaan ko po yung sarili ko and yung boses ko. Kasi I also feel like that's the gift that I want to be able to give to people. I'm able to interpret other people's music. I'm able to give my own versions, make their stories mine. But at the end of the day, ayun po, parang it's my voice that ties it all together. That's why one of the main things for me is to really be able to take care of that. And so that's also something that I want to remind yung mga aspiring artists din po natin na go back to your core and really take care of yourself. Know who you are and release, and your audience will find you po. Especially ngayon with the internet, parang, di ba, like we are able to see on our feed people and amazing kids from other parts of not just our country. And so there's just endless possibilities at this point. So create lang po talaga and your people will find you. So,
Thank you so much, Mari.
Thank
And thank you
you.
as well for giving us the pride internationally. We're so proud of you.
Salamat po. Daghang salamat. Thank you.
Thank you so much, our friends
you so much.
from the press, and of course our Asia's Phoenix, Morissette. Thank you so much. And congratulations.
Next,
Okay,
our
may next
Asia's-
tayo. So,
Nightingale.
Asia's
come
Pato.
soon.